Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to enjoy maximum discount when you buy your hosting from Hosting, then you're at the right place. Because in this video, I will reveal two of the finest hosting coupon codes through which you can save maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hosting with a special discount deal. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, then I'm going to tell you what you have to do step by step. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see a maximum discount deal running right now. Don't worry, with this special coupon code, you're going to get additional discounts on already running discounts. Make sure to click on the link in the description. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has amazing reviews on Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, W Beginner. All of them say that Hostinger is just amazing. Even the WordPress says, WordPress is the most famous website through which you can create websites. The platform or a plugin or a CMS content management system, whatever you like to call it. These are the three most popular plans, and you're gonna see that the discounts are already running on these plans because you have clicked on a special link. But don't worry, my audience is going to get maximum discount with this coupon code. You're going to get additional discount on already running discount deals. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has fast, secure, and reliable servers, and you can create website in seconds through their powerful AI, artificial intelligence-based website builder, and you are getting free domains with annual plans. This is the maximum any company can give around. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a dedicated tool in shifting your website known as website migration tool, and that can shift you within a maximum of 24 hours. Your website will be transferred to this new hosting company, and the process is very easy, but the support is going to help as well in case if you need that help. And if you scroll below, you can see that hosting the control panel or a dashboard is super easy. You don't need to spend any time. You can just learn within a few seconds, and you can operate your hosting account on your own. And local data centers option is the maximum any company can give with so many options to choose on. You can select any country to host your website, and you have 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. The maximum security with automatic backups, SL security certificates, Cloudflare protected name servers, and right now 3+ million people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I am one of them. I've been using it from the last years, and if you want to join the Hostinger family, now this is the right time. Make sure to click on the link in the description, and then to get the maximum possible discount, select any plan. You can select any plan as per convenience. I highly recommend people to simply select the see all features and do a thorough search before you're going to select any plan. So once you select any plan, simply select the choose plan to get the maximum discount. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you can see that the select your billing period. Now after seeing the discount of for the billing period, Hostinger offer the maximum number is 48 months. So I recommend you guys to offer the 48 months to save the maximum amount of money. So after this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Now once you apply it, you're going to see that your price is going to get a maximum discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select this one, and you're going to see that your price is going to get a maximum discount. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected to another page. Here you can see that the maximum discount is already loaded. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here. The process is going to take not longer than 5 minutes. After this, select your payment method. Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods. You can select any as per your convenience. So many options. So let's say we're going to the credit card. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can enjoy this Hostinger hosting discount. I've been using Hostinger from the last year, so this is the right time to get the maximum discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description, use either the coupon code, and follow the step-by-step procedure as I told you in this video to get the maximum discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.